Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your Chevy Blazer EV. Unlike traditional cars, the Blazer EV often powers down automatically. To do this, first ensure your vehicle is completely stopped and shifted into park. Then, simply unbuckle your seatbelt and open the driver's door. The vehicle will detect your exit and initiate its automatic shutdown sequence. If the automatic shutdown doesn't occur, or if you prefer to manually power off, use the infotainment screen. With the vehicle in park, locate and tap the vehicle off icon on the center display. You might see a confirmation prompt. Simply tap to confirm. This method ensures the vehicle is fully powered down before you exit. It's important to remember that the Chevy Blazer EV does not have a traditional power button for turning it off. Also, be aware of the Keep Vehicle on mode, which allows the vehicle to remain active after you exit. Always confirm the vehicle is fully off, especially if you've used this feature. Engaging the parking brake is always recommended on inclines. To quickly recap, turning off your Chevy Blazer EV is straightforward. Most often, simply shift to park, unbuckle your seatbelt, and open the driver's door for an automatic shutdown. If needed, you can always use the vehicle off icon on your infotainment screen. Always confirm the vehicle is fully powered down before leaving it unattended.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.